Hello to everyone. Today we're going to talk about an animal that is in dangerous of extinction. His name is mandrill, and as you can see in the image, it's a kind of monkey that has particular physical characteristics that we're going to talk about it later. For now, I would like to tell you about his habits or where you can find this kind of animal. Generally, this animal is located in the tropical rainforest of Africa. Now, talking about the food that they like, they generally tend to eat grass, some fruits as apple, grapes, orange, and etc. However, their favorite fruit is going to be always the banana. Then we have that they also eat seeds. And an interesting fact that I found was that they also eat some insects and some little vertebrates. Insects like butterflies, spiders, worms, etc. Uh, Now I will tell you more details about their physical characteristics. As you can see in the first image, they have a particular color in his face. For example, here we can appreciate that they have a red and blue color. These colors tends to get bright if they feel excited. Also, in the second image, we can see that they have big caninos teeth that they usually use them for self-defense when other animal or other species come close to them. However, this is an important fact and interesting that if they made the same gesture with a madril of the same species, this is taken as a positive sign because this shows that this madril is appreciating to the other madrils, or even they use this gesture to express uh, affection with the others. Now talking about their behavior. They tend to be so lazy, so most of their time they are just lying down on the ground, or they just jump to the tree and just lay down on there. Also, um, I don't know why this surprised me, but I read that most of them tend to be in troops. These troops have like young females, adult females, and males. But the number of this troop is generally 200. I was surprised because mm, it's a big number of madrils for one troop. And even though these animals are always in troop, they tend to be hunt for people that are interested in their meat or in their fur. This is a big problem in Africa because their meat is considered as a special dish, and obviously this meal in is sold to high prices. For that reason, it it makes that the most of these species will be hunted. Uh, to to avoid this, the people and the government have decided to establish some rules or some laws to prevent this. The rule is that people can have the materials as pets, because also people tend to buy them just to have them like pets for their particular colors and their beauty. However, also the government penalized the hunt of these kind of animals, and not just of this species, but also of other species that also are in dangerous of extinction. So, as a reflection, I would like to tell you that an animal is also alive. This animal can feel and even can experimentate emotions for the things that are happening to their environment. If you know some of these cases that people buy animals that are in danger of extinction, I will recommend you to call to the police or to make a demand, because people don't understand that these animals need their natural environment to have a good life. So, uh, just my recommendation is just that we need to be more conscious about what we do with our lives and with the lives that are around us. Thank you very much.